This is Total Telecom TV reporting from Communicatia. I'm with Eileen Healy of the IEEE. Eileen, you've been talking about the SDN initiative here in the conference. Give us a bit more detail.
Well, the IEEE, as you know, is a very large global organization with 450,000 members. At the highest levels of the organization, certain key technologies have been identified to set up their own initiative to ask the right questions about the importance of software-defined networks and the implications of software-defined networks. So this is an overarching, all the different technologies within the IEEE. As you may know, the IEEE has a large number of societies, from the Communications Society to the Automotive Society to the Computing Society, etc. And this really overarches all of those because it's the softwareization of networks, as we like to call it, has great impact for many different sectors.
Yes, I mean, we're very focused here on telecoms, and we tend to think SDN is purely telecoms, but I think what we're saying is much, much more than that.
Yes, absolutely. It is, if you look at the combination of software-defined networks, network function virtualization, and then the other components of increased processing time and the various elements that have now crystallized so that we can go from the hype of SDN, which we've had the term for 20 years, it's now moving to reality. And so this is an important part of what the initiative does is to look at what are the implications of this, not just technological, but the implications for society. And as we have studied that, the implications of softwareization are huge to every industry, to the point where every company will have to be a software company, because the reality is that is how all businesses are being driven, how products are moving.
And is that why the IEEE is the right vehicle for this? Because you're beyond telecom, shall we say?
Yes, in part. There's really probably 4 reasons why the IEEE is the right organization. As you may know, there's a lot of standard activity in the IEEE, but this is not about standard setting. The IEEE has the relationships with academia, especially, I shouldn't say especially, including students. And so much of the way the world is turning, students, number one, need the skills, but they're the people who are going to really drive this softwareization. It has the scope. So as you mentioned, it has technology experts across every sector, much broader than many of the organizations that look solely, as you said, at telecom. It has the emphasis on things beyond technology, so the socio-economic implications of a technology, which is so important when, technologists can sometimes just be a little myopic about only looking at the technology, and this is much larger than the technology.
Okay, and just finally, I guess you're looking forward to people perhaps getting interested in this and joining. What sort of organisations are you looking for to help you with this initiative?
Yes, well, we have, at the moment, we have 2,200 members to our technical community, which we are looking to grow. And these are people who have any interest in the relationship of software-defined networks and virtualization to this overall move towards softwareization of all industries. So anyone who is interested there's a very robust portal which has all sorts of information and is changed frequently, and at that portal you can sign up to become a member. And we encourage anyone to join.
Great. Well, I shall start to think of SDN as much more than just telecoms, but thanks very much for talking to us today.
Thank you very much, Brian. Thank you.